In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a splash effect to your product shots. So here I have the can. Let's go up here, click on select. Subject should make a selection around the can. To make a copy, let's do Control J. Select the bottom layer. Let's go here to the left. Select the gradient, select the drop down menu. I'm going to select a blue. That way it'll be different from the red. So something like this. Now I'm going to start from the top and drag it down to the bottom like that. Now let's go to our splash image, drag it, drop it, and I'm hold Shift and Alt. Bring the size of it up, kind of like that. Select the splash. Let's change it to screen. And I'm gonna do Control L. I'm gonna just darken the shadow just a little bit because I can see it right there. So kind of like that. Click OK. Now I'm gonna select V for the move tool right there. So I'll just move like that. Let's do Control T. Rotate it just a little bit. And bring it up just a little bit. Kind of like that. Because I want the splash on the bottom to be on top of the can. So I'm just make a copy. So I'm gonna do Control J. Bring it above the can. Let's do Control Alt G. It'll create a clipping mask. So if you disable this, you can see this one is only affecting the can. Now I'm just bring this back and I'm gonna select the top splash. Let's create a mask. Select B for brush and make sure this is black. And we're gonna brush out the parts that we don't want. Now you can see the splashes on top of the can, but also on the bottom or behind it. So that's how you add a splash to your product shots.